Reusable nappies have had a big resurgence in recent years and are now a popular choice for eco-conscious parents. But with so many different options out there and big upfront costs, it can be hard to know which ones to choose. So keep watching for expert and impartial advice.
Reusables come in a range of designs. The all-in-one nappy is the simplest to use as it's just one piece of fabric. They're not that different to disposables and have to be washed after every nappy change. Because of this, they typically wear out faster than two-part nappies and do require a lot of laundering. Pocket nappies are similar to all-in-ones, but they have an opening along the back where you insert an absorbent liner. They're slightly more fiddly than all-in-ones, but are still simple to use and quicker to dry. Then there's the two-part nappy. This is where you have an inner nappy to absorb everything and an outer waterproof wrap to keep it all in. The inner nappy is changed throughout the day, but the wrap can last up to 12 hours.
Two-parters are the most labour-intensive to put on, but are typically best for longevity, so ideal if you're planning on having more children.
They tend to be highly absorbent and so the best for containment, but can be slow drying and bulky looking. With two-part nappies, you can choose shaped inner nappies, which are easier to use but more expensive, or flat nappies, which you pin in place with a nappy grip.
Perhaps you'll want to use two-parters at home, but have a few all-in-ones for when you're out and about. Whichever nappies you go for, prepare yourself for extra laundry, and you'll want to have a nappy bin with a mesh bag to store the soiled ones between washes.
Opting for reusables could save you £1.5 grand per child in the long run, but upfront costs can reach around £400. Some local councils have incentive schemes that will make it cheaper, as will buying second-hand.
Line dry nappies if you can. This will help save on laundry costs, and sunlight can help get rid of stains.
We've surveyed parents to see which nappy brands they prefer. If you become a Which member, you'll be able to see the results, as well as our lab tests for things like buggies, cots and high chairs.
Click the link on screen to sign up to our free parenthood newsletter and check out the video below to find out what to pack in that all-important hospital bag. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.